Hello, friends. I am pleased to introduce my new book titled Start Jumping Rope, a beginner's guide to jump rope basics, available on Amazon. Start Jumping Rope is a simple, short guide which I have written for those who are planning to incorporate jump rope into their fitness lifestyle. I have been doing jump rope for more than 25 years. Almost 25 years back, I lost 110 pounds in a span of 14 months. And while I was in the process of getting into shape, I got exposed to jump rope. I slowly incorporated jump rope into my lifestyle. It took me a lot of time. Initially, I would hardly was able to even jump 5 or 6 ropes. But then in the coming years, slowly, when I lost weight, I went into an active lifestyle. Jump rope became my one of the best fitness friends. Jump rope has helped me also maintain my fitness. Of course, you must have when you talk about healthy lifestyle, you have to have a healthy nutrition, healthy rest. But as an exercise tool, jump rope has been phenomenal in my fitness journey. I advanced my jump rope skills by incorporating jump rope in full body workouts with body weights, with strength training, and in all these years, more than 20 years, whatever I did, jump rope was the integral part of my workout. Jump rope offers a lot of benefits. It burns fat, it burns calories. If you do jump rope with the right form, with the right technique, with the right gear, you can have a very solid workout in 10 minutes. Jump rope is also, it's a mind body workout. You also test your brain because you are using multiple muscle groups at the same time. Jump rope is also a low impact exercise on your knees if you do it correctly. Jump rope also, since it's you jump, it also increases your bone density. Jump rope is portable. You can do jump rope anywhere. All you need is a rope, a good jumping surface, and a good gear. That's it. In my book Start Jumping Rope, which is for beginners, I have demonstrated how to master the jump rope basics. I've also added videos to various sections, like how to master the jump rope basics, what kind of mistakes you must avoid while you're doing jump rope. My book has got videos also to demonstrate the content which I have added. When I'm doing jump rope, I jump rope with my wrist, and my elbows are tucked inside. That is how you should also aim towards when you are working towards doing an effective jump rope. So we'll start off by doing shadow jumping, tucking our elbows, putting our wrist, and doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are the tools you need for doing effective jump rope? What are some of the key mistakes which people perform, which again leads them to not doing effective jump rope or leads them to injury? Some of the wrong forms doing jump rope. See, I'm bent too much. No. My years of doing jump rope, where I had made mistakes, what is the best way to learn jump rope, I have penned down in my book. I truly believe that with 3 factors which are applicable to any goal, you can master jump rope: intent, practice, and consistency. That's what I did. With intent of learning jump rope, because it offers tremendous benefits as an exercise workout. Practice, 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 and you will master the art of jump rope and consistency. So dear friends, any one of you who is planning to learn or adopt or even modify, if you are already doing jump rope, you want to improvise and make it more effective, my short book is for you. It highlights the key jump rope fundamentals, and I have demonstrated everything which I have penned down through videos. The links are available in my book. Start jumping rope. Start an active lifestyle. Thank you.